Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I do respect the people who reach out to me and say, Countryman, I'll help you pronounce some of these French Creole words, because I have been slaughtering them and I really don't feel good about it. So I'm gonna spend the time and learn the pronunciation of the words them and the different things in French. So I've been practicing, and I think I might have gotten it right when I say bapatat, and that's the word, not boise papatat, it's bapatat. And I think I might have nailed it right there. So viewers and subscribers, once again, thank you all, and sit back and watch this video and see what's going on in St. Lucia. And don't remember to like, share, and subscribe. And this is coming straight from Countryman. Beloved, Bapatat.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. Let me repeat it one more time. Viewers' discretion is advice when watching this video. Now, look at this young man right here. He was one of the men that get shot in Caspies. Now, this young man here, like I stated before, he was involved, from what my intel them a tell me, in a lot of little things. Because number one, he was hanging out with the wrong set of crew, and they were using him to carry out certain hitman work. Now, this guy right here, I am not making this up. This is his name, Double-Head Musclehead. And this dude here, what my intel is telling me, that he started hanging with Baboon King crew, and in order to prove himself, they used him to carry out some really ghastly murders. And what they did, they used him as the hitman, you know. And he was the hitman, and I hate saying it like this, you know, I hate saying it like this. He was the hitman for the women then. You remember SCHANNEL? Now, intel tell me that this guy right here, Double-Head Musclehead, what a name, he was responsible for killing SCHANNEL on the order of Marvin. Okay? On the order of Marvin, that is what the intel told me. Now, before we got into the next young lady that this guy, my intel tell me alleged kill for Baboon King, look at this picture right now. That's Tis, and Ima one of Baboon King top Hitman, Titiman. Let me stop. Ima one of Baboon King top soldier, and a lot of the stuff where the fraction of the Baboon King does, he is the lieutenant who Baboon King gives the order from jail, and then Tis him find the soldier them to carry out the act. I hope everybody will listen to me now. This guy Tis, he is a lieutenant in the monster gang. Before me say anything, let me say this. The monster gang, what's going on in St. Lucia right now, the older gangs, them are fade away. Like the monster gang with Baboon King them and Tis them. And you have some young, new youth coming up. That's why Minister Norbert, when he went on the news today and said that St. Lucia is experiencing a whole heap of crime in a whole heap of different area, and it is stretching the system thin. They could have asked me. I would have told them what's going on, because listen, I vlog on these gangs, I research them, I keep track, I track them, you understand? And from what I see, and I'm telling this to the government directly, the older gang member them, they're fading out, and you have some new guys coming, the new youth, the young youth them, and these young youth them, I'm gonna use this term, they're fully done, and that's the only way I can explain them. Now, back to Tis. Tis are the lieutenant, and him carry out the act. And look at this. Now, look at that picture. That Riley, you know. And the intel is adamant that the Tis is the one who order the youth double-head to get rid of Riley. With Riley's death, I don't think Baboon King was in on that, but I'm quite sure he knew about it before and definitely after. And from what the intel is saying, a lot of people know that this guy here, double-head, he has been doing that kind of work, that dirty, stinking work, and people are upset. So, like I said, with the rise of a new, couple new fractions of these gangs, it seems like they went after Mustard. Because let me explain to you something about gang dynamics. You know, okay, say monster gang them dead, everybody's afraid of Marvin and Film Crew and this and that. That's fine. But after a while, you know, people who have their own family get murdered in a violent way. Usually, them become active or become activists to the cause and set up for them own gang. So fast forward, years later, Marvin Baboon King, a big man now. Here comes this little youth who him cousin was killed by Baboon King, and everybody know it and was talking about it. Now him farm him on a fraction of a gang somewhere else, and next thing them target Baboon King them. So that's the outcome of when you join a gang and when you get into the gang dynamics. I just gave the police some tips and some leads. So y'all need to act on that. Y'all need to check out Tis and also check out the boy we name Cut Butt or Frosted Flakes, Lean Back Brother. Because, like I'm explaining, they are the lieutenant in the Baboon King gang. And if you don't want to stop the murder, or somebody murder them, you guys have to take that approach. And last but not least, remember Baboon King now is in jail, and while he's in jail, he's sending out hits. You guys need to figure that out. Remember, My name is Countryman.